Hello, in front of me I've got Doogee X95. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager and how to manage it. Firstly, we can go to Files app provided by Google, and I think that's the only app we can enter to go to File Manager. So enter it. Continue. And as you can see, thanks to this app, you've got access to your internal storage divided on categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps, and internal storage itself. Also, you've got the recents right here. Next, you can go to Share, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files without the internet. Then, you can use the Clean function to clean up junk files from your phone. If you go to menu, you've got access to info about space saved, share recipients, and settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.